Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing on your Windows 11 laptops. It is very simple, just follow my steps. Now click on search button and type services. Now click on services option. Now come at end of the screen. Here you can able to see the option WLAN auto config and click on that. Now change the startup type as manual and give apply and OK. Now second method is click on start button and go to settings. In left side, click on network and internet option and click on advanced network settings and click on network restart option and restart your network. Now third method is click on search button and type device manager. Now click on network adapters and expand. Click on Wi-Fi adapters and go to driver. First try to uninstall your devices. Next, second thing is try to update your drivers. Now fourth method is click on search button and type command prompt and give run as administrator. Allow yes to perform the operation. In here type netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter button. And again type netsh space win sock space reset and again click on enter button. Now type exit and click enter button. Now again click on start button and restart your PC. I hope your problem will be fixed after trying these methods. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.